Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure tracking is live, install the Facebook pixel and verify with test events. Once done, connect that pixel to your ad account and choose a primary conversion. Purchase is common, so value data flows. Make sure each conversion has a proper value parameter, otherwise return on ad spend will be inaccurate. Then, in Ads Manager, confirm that attribution window and columns are visible. This initial work gives you the raw data you need to calculate ROAS accurately and quickly. Now you dive into Ads Manager to compute ROAS. First, customize columns, include amount spent and purchase value, then add cost per purchase and the ROAS metric. You should set the attribution window that matches your business cycle. Use 1-day click for fast buys or 7-day click for considered purchases. Once set, split by campaign, ad set, or creative to see which parts drive value. Make sure to compare like for like. Different attribution windows will change your ROAS numbers. Finish by exporting the data and double-checking calculations. ROAS equals purchase value divided by amount spent. You want consistent currency across reports, so convert if necessary. Then act, use breakdowns to reallocate budget toward top ROAS creatives and pause underperformers. If results don't match analytics, troubleshoot. Check for duplicated pixels, missing value parameters, or incorrect event deduplication. If you still see issues, run test events again and resync the pixel to the ad account before relaunching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.